Across Washington state, when it comes to youth sports, some school districts are taking a look at their transgender participation policies.
So it's very complicated, it's very tricky. We understand it's a very emotional issue.
State law already says students can participate by the gender they identify. Members of WIAA, the governing body for youth sports, considered two proposals. Amendment 8, which called for divisions for girls, for boys, and for transgender students, failed. Amendment 7, limiting participation in girls' sports to students assigned female at birth, came close to moving forward.
It received 31 votes, and it takes 32 to pass. Even if the Amendment 7 or 8 would have passed, we couldn't have implemented it anyway because it wouldn't align with state law.
Superintendent David Vanderyacht says his school district in Lynden has seen the conflicts.
We heard very clearly from our female student athletes that competing against athletes who had gone through male puberty felt unfair to them.
And having statewide policies, bans, different categories, all of those things only serve to single out and to stigmatize.
Danny Askini with Gender Justice League says it would harm transgender student athletes.
Our approach is that this should be handled on a case-by-case basis between parents, coaches, and student athletes, and that if there are concerns and difficulties, those can be addressed at the individual and school level.
For the WI's perspective, we have to follow state law.
While the two proposals have failed, WIAA knows the debate is not over.
We know this topic isn't going away. We know the conversation is going to continue. We'll continue to dialogue with our membership, so when and if the board needs to make a change, we'll be fully prepared to do that.
53 school administrators took part in this year's vote. WIAA says representatives from across the state consider the amendments, and 60% approval is required for the proposal to pass. In Renton, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.